Hi everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In today's video, I'll talk about how to use colors to create a good Feng Shui environment. Color is very important in Feng Shui because color can have an enormous impact on our health and wealth. In order to know how to use the colors the right way, first, we need to know the 5 elements and what colors are associated with each element. In the 5 elements, metal is associated with white, gold, and silver. Wood is associated with green and cyan. Water is associated with blue and black. Fire is red and purple, and earth is brown and yellow. Now let's have a look at what colors are the most suitable for each room. Colors should be selected based on the function of the room. The living room. The living room is an important area in the house. It's where our family and friends get together and where we receive our guests when they visit our home. The living room is a lively place and is where the money corner is located. Therefore, the living room should be bright, but it cannot be transparent. For example, if the living room has too many glass windows, that means yin and yang would not be balanced. This is not good for the wealth of the family. If there are too much yang energy, money could easily flow away. Therefore, the best color to be used in the living room is white. Dark colors are not suitable in the living room because darker colors represent yin energy. When there are too much yin energy, it's not good for the wealth of the family either. Kitchen. Kitchen is where we cook food. It's associated with the fire element. The best color selection for kitchen are white and yellow. Remember, do not use colors that belong to the fire element, such as red or purple. This is because in the 5-element cycle, kitchen is fire. There's no need to add more fire elements in the kitchen. Too much fire could cause heart diseases. Also, do not use black or blue color to decorate your kitchen because both colors represent water. As water element clashes with the fire element, it could cause conflicts in the family. Bedroom. Bedroom is a very important room in the house. We should use colors that creates a peaceful and calming atmosphere. Best colors to be used in your bedroom should be soft, soothing, and quiet colors, such as light coral or light gray colors. Soft colors can give us a feeling of quietness and tranquility, and also help balancing yin and yang energy. Do not use bright colors such as bright red, purple, or any dark colors in the bedroom. If yin and yang are not balanced, it could cause conflicts between couples. If the colors in the bedroom are too dark, people would feel hard to get up in the morning and has no energy. Dining room. In Feng Shui, bright colors can create a lively atmosphere and increase people's appetite when dining. Therefore, the best colors for dining room should be white or warm colors like orange. These colors can help us increasing our wealth and career luck. Bathroom. It's best not to use black or blue colors in your bathroom. This is because in the 5 elements, black and blue belong to water element. As water in the toilet are not clean water, blue or black could enhance the negative energy of the toilet water, which is bad for health. Don't use red or purple colors in the bathroom either, because these 2 colors belong to the fire element. The conflicts between water and fire would also cause conflicts and accidents. Therefore, the best color choice for bathroom is light green because light green belongs to wood element. It can reduce the negative energy of the bathroom. By understanding how to use colors to decorate your rooms the right way can definitely help you attracting good luck and good fortune. I hope you find my video helpful. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.